Do you know many people are having trouble with using their scanner function properly? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Load document. Start by placing your document face up in the ADF or face down on the scanner glass. Step 2. Select scan mode. Press the scan button, then choose to PC and select your scan destination. Step 3. Pick computer. Use the arrow keys to choose the computer where you want to send your scan document. Step 4. Adjust settings. Press options to adjust settings like two-sided scanning or resolution, or skip this to use default settings. Step 5. Start scanning. Press Start to scan your document. The scanned file will be sent to the chosen destination. Now you should be able to easily scan documents using your Brother MFC-L2900DW printer. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Brother users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.